One medical doctor is reminding women that douching is not a safe practice. This can cause serious health risks, which can last for a long time. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the health report.
Douching is the washing off or flushing of the vagina with a mixture of fluids, including water, vinegar, and baking soda. Some persons also use garlic and other substances to douche.
Women douche because there's a common misconception that the vagina needs to be cleaned. However, the vagina cleans itself. So it's specially designed with protective bacteria, which maintain an acidic pH that prevents infection. So douching can actually make this worse or increase the risk of infections by removing these good bacteria. Another misconception women have while they douche is they believe that the vagina should never have any type of secretion or discharge. And this isn't the case because the vagina always produces some amount of secretion. The healthy vagina produces discharge, which varies throughout the cycle. So, for example, right after the menses leading up to ovulation, the discharge becomes clear like water and very stretchy, especially around the ovulation period. And this is natural.
But douching is not recommended in gynecology or medicine due to the associated health risks.
Because once you start getting into douching and you disrupt the pH, you can set up a vicious cycle of needing to be treated and getting the flora or the pH back to the normal can take some time. And especially one of the infections that's commonly associated with douching is bacterial vaginosis. This is where there's an overgrowth of abnormal bacteria in the vagina. So there's a reduction of the good bacteria, which maintains the pH, and the abnormal bacteria increases, and this can lead to a discharge that can be quite persistent, can be difficult to treat.
Women are advised to speak to their medical doctor before they consider douching.
We need to inform women of when a discharge is abnormal, so they will know when it's to get treatment. So that would be in cases where there is a heavy excessive discharge that's runny with odor, itching, colored discharges, discharges that are associated with burning on urination, low abdominal pain, right, which signify even pelvic inflammatory disease, right? So women who are at risk of STDs, if they believe they may have an STD, then they shouldn't resort to just douching.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.